Hi there, my name is Hannah, Product Marketing Manager here at Trainual, and today we're going to be talking about content page default views. Did you know that you can set defaults for views and sorting on the content page? Let's head to the content page, and we'll see a long list of all the subjects in our account. In my case, I have 492 subjects. That's a lot. And it's not really organized, so it can be hard to find the subjects that I'm looking for. And that's where defaults come in super handy. When I click this View By dropdown, you can see that I'm just viewing by all content, but I can also view by group, so by team, location, department, role, other group types, or all groups. So let's view our subjects by department. I'll click on that option, and this will show each department in a folder-like dropdown on this page. And from here, I can go into any department and see all of the content assigned to that department, which is super helpful if I'm looking to see how much content is assigned to this department, or I'm looking for a subject and I just can't remember the name. And if I like this view, I can make it my default by heading to the View By dropdown, hovering over Departments, and selecting Set as Default. Now, if I navigate away from the content page and then back to the content page, I'll still see my content by department. And in the same way, I can set a default for how I want my content sorted. So right now I'm viewing content by set training order, but I can also view it by A through Z, Z through A, last updated, newest, or oldest. And let's say that I want to sort my subjects by what's been last updated. I'll click that option. So then when I go into a department, I can see the last time each subject was updated, and I can go to the end to see what hasn't been updated in a while. And same as before, I can click the Sort dropdown, hover over the option that I like best, and set it as my default. And remember, when I set my defaults, it's just for me. Everyone in my account can set their own defaults for this page. I hope this was helpful. See you next time.